Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel BFC Abrar sir. I am engineer Abrar Ahmed. Today we are going to start class 11th physics chapter first. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel BFC Abrar sir. So let's start. Physical words and measurement. This unit consists of 5 small chapters. First one is introduction, second is system of unit, third is measurement of length, mass and time, fourth one is dimensional analysis, and last is error of measurement. So we are going to start our first chapter, introduction. In introduction, our first topic is science. What is science? The word science originated from Latin word scientia, which means to know. The knowledge which humans have gained through observation and experiments when organized systematically is called science. Then, so what is science? Science is a Latin word which means to know. It comes from Latin word scientia, which means to know. Knowledge. Knowledge is science. Then there are two types of science. First is physical science and second one is biological science. In physical science we study about non-living things, and in biological science we study about living things. So definition is the science which deals with non-living things are called physical science, and biological science, the science which deals with living things are called biological science. Now our next topic is physics. What is physics? The word physics comes from the Greek word physis, which means nature. Hence, physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. So what is physics? Physics comes from Greek word physis, which means nature. So the study of nature and natural phenomena is called physics. Now our next topic is types of physics. Physics can be classified into two categories. There are two types of physics. First is classical physics and second is modern physics. Physics can be classified into two categories. First is classical physics and second is modern physics. In classical physics, the physics before 19th century is known as classical physics. The main branch of classical physics are mechanics, thermodynamics, sound, optics, etc. Classical physics is also known as old physics because it developed before 19th century. The main part of classical physics are mechanics. In mechanics, we study about Newton's law of motion, rocket propulsion, law and motion. Thermodynamics, in thermodynamics we study about heat. Sound, in sound we study about propagation of sound, hearing of sound, waves. Optics is one of the most important branch of physics in which we study about light, reflection, refraction, phenomena, etc. Second is modern physics. The physics after 19th century is known as modern physics. This branch of physics deals with micro events such as atom, nuclei, theory of relativity, etc. Modern physics is also known as new physics because it developed after 19th century. This is called the modern physics. In this physics we study about micro events such as atom and nuclei, electron, proton, neutron, structure of atom, etc. So this is one of the most important branch of physics. Now our next topic is matter. Our next topic is matter. Before starting the topic matter, we should know what is matter. So according to physics, matter, anything around us which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Anything around us which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Like marker. Marker has mass and occupies space, so it is called matter. Like board. board has mass and occupies space is called matter. So definition of matter is anything around us which has mass and occupies space is called matter. For example, iron, water, air, marker, chair, etc. Anything around us which has mass and occupies space is called matter. There are three types of matter. There are three types of matter. First is solid, liquid, and third is gas. There are three types of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. The matter solid has fixed size, fixed volume, whereas liquid has fixed volume but not size, not fixed size, whereas not fixed size, volume. So our next topic is energy. After completing the topic matter, we are going to start our next topic, energy. Energy, it is something neither has mass and nor occupies space. It is present everywhere in the universe. So what is the definition of energy? Energy neither has mass and nor occupies space. It is something that neither has mass nor occupies space, present everywhere in the universe. Bodies have a capacity to do work because of energy. Without energy, work cannot be done. No work can be done without energy. The energy exists in many forms, like mechanical energy, electrical energy, solar energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, chemical energy. So, energy neither has mass nor occupies space. It is something present everywhere in the universe. Without energy, work cannot be done. There are various forms of energy like solar energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, chemical energy. There are many forms of energy. Now, after completing the topic energy, we are going to start our next topic, the contribution of great scientists in the field of physics. The list is showing on your screen.
This is the list of some great physicists and their contribution. We can say great scientists in the field of physics. Pause the video and note that